Welcome to NumFOCUS Presents Give Me Five, where we explore open science, community, and collaboration in just 5 minutes. I'm your host, MK, and we're back with another episode where we meet contributors, organizers, and partners from the NumFOCUS community to hear their story in 5 questions or 5 ways that they're making open source thrive. I'm honored today to join. I'm honored today to be joined by a special guest and a good friend. Our guest today is Kally Chung, who is co-chair of PyData Amsterdam. And during her 9 to 5, she's a data analyst at ADN. I always struggle
Jen.
with ADN. Did I say it right?
Hi, Jen.
IDN. Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome, Kally. Let's give Kally a round of applause. Give me five.
Oh, hi. Yeah. Well,
Um, how are you doing?
good. Super good. I have to say thank you for the invitation. I love the opportunity to talk more about what is PyData Amsterdam, what is NumFOCUS, what we does, and why we are so passionate about that.
All right. Are you ready to dive into the 5 questions?
Born ready.
Oh, okay. So first question. All right. What's one lesson that you've learned from building an open source or just building a community around open source?
I have to say, I see myself as an open source community builder. I am not that close to the developing or helping the development of open source tools. But that said, the lesson that I learned is I have met that we needed so many people helping us to create these open source tools and also to make it run smoothly. We say that not all heroes wear capes, but the open source heroes they do pull requests and help us make it easy to use and it works amazingly. So yeah, this is the lesson that I learned.
Keeping here with the perspective of community building, how would you describe your community in 5 words?
Hmm. Wow, this question sounds a bit tough. 5 words. But yeah, let's start with it's easy to answer. People who inspire my work is PyData Amsterdam community. And to describe them, I would say it's a collaborative, it's intellectually stimulating, it's welcoming, and above all, it's people centric. We are here to lift everyone here. You want to learn, you want to grow, you want to find something that interests you. We are happy to do that.
What's I guess what's a challenge that your team or community has faced or is facing, and how are you all working to address it and or have addressed it? Um, or how can people support you if you're still kind of stuck in that this challenge?
One is that open source tools are taken for granted. When we organize this kind of event, especially the conference, there are so many work involved, many volunteers involved. I have to say, when people says, "Oh, the ticket price is very expensive," it hurts a little bit because this money, this investment is not for us. It's for open source projects. I think this kind of awareness is one of my motivation with PyData Amsterdam.
We have lots of volunteer leaders who are showing up and doing this not for pay, right? And so keeping that in mind, how do you manage to keep everyone motivated, your volunteers motivated?
It's the why you do that. I do understand sometimes that we have to juggle with our work time, and then in the evening we are having all these meetings to organize the events. And for me, the motivation comes when I remember why I'm doing that. After the conference, I hear so many amazing stories like, yeah, I found a better job in the PyData Amsterdam conference, or I learned something new, or grow because I saw this tutorial or I got involved with open source projects. And there are so many amazing stories that it's my biggest motivation to, yeah, to remember every one of the team, like why we are doing that.
What's one change you would like to see in our ecosystem in open science by 2030?
I would say that I'd like to see a higher level of interest from the public in the open source ecosystem, especially in how it is built. In the beginning, I didn't know that much, but like working at Argent, who always give this kind of incentive, right? I learned more and more about open source too, but also to appreciate it. And and also from current feedback, I would say that we need more hands-on sessions, and I would promote more. I would say let's promote more, preferably in-person hands-on sessions to show how open source tools are built and that there are a lot of opportunities to grow technically. And on top of that, we have several opportunities to promote knowledge sharing and networking.
Awesome. Well, Kally, I'm truly grateful for the time that you have spent with us today and your thoughtful responses. And
Mhm.
with that said, can you give me five?
I can give you 5, 10, how many you need it.